Okay, thank you for tuning in. Another JMD janitorial tutorial. Today we're just going to go over what supplies are needed when you're mopping a floor. So without further ado, just going to quickly go over some of the supplies, tools, and equipment that are needed when you're mopping a VCT floor. Okay, so just take a quick look at the floor. There you go. It's down this hallway, down the hallway. Okay, so we're just going to go over the supplies that are needed. So of course you're going to need gloves, protective eyewear, and any other PPE that is necessary for the job. Okay. We use a flat mop system, and prior to mopping we're going to do like a dry mop, and there are different type of pads that are used for a dry mop, which are currently being displayed. And then the final flat mop or mop head that we're going to use is for the actual mopping, and once the floor is wet. Then other supplies, equipment that you'll need, of course, are the caution wet signs that needs to be placed at all entranceways to the area that you're working on or working in. And then for us, or me, we're going to use today a product featured by Spartan. Actually, this is what I use for all of my clients, but it's a damp mop. Okay, see, film-free neutral detergent, and it really leaves a nice spark on the floor. So there you have it, just the tools, supplies, and equipment that you'll need in order to mop a floor. So if you haven't done so already, now will be a good time to subscribe, like, or share, and even post a comment or two. Thanks for tuning in to another JMD janitorial.